is up, you guys? So today we are headed down to Tahuya. Normally we are early people. We usually meet around 8 and get started pretty early in the day, but we're doing like a late afternoon run today, so it'll be interesting. We've never really hit the trails this late before. Drew's buddy from Hawaii is here, and we just kind of wanted to take him out and show him what the PNW trail system is like. So Drew's headed out with his Tacoma. He got some work done on his Tacoma, so I'm sure he's kind of excited to shake it down a little bit. And I just got done replacing all 4 shocks, and so I'm looking forward to some testing and tuning with the 4Runner as well. If you haven't already heard, I am bringing the 4Runner down to Sand Hollow this year to Trail Hero. Super excited. And a bunch of us will be heading down, throwing our rigs on some trailers and heading down to Utah. So I might be taking it easy today, honestly. We'll see when we get there, but not looking forward to breaking anything today. It's gonna be nice and easy, and I plan to make it home in one piece. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go. Literally monsooning as soon as we got to Buggy Hill. Oh my gosh, the rain was pouring. I could barely see past my windshield wipers that could not keep up with all the rain that was falling out of the sky. Water was rushing down the rocks. It looked like little mini waterfalls everywhere. It was muddy, dug out. It was a challenge. Not gonna lie, I was terrified. Ask the guys, I was ready to give up, but thanks to Drew and David and Kevin, they got me through it, and I am so grateful that they had my back.
This is why we came here in the rain. Yeah. Come on, Chris. Get this shit.
There you go.
Right there.
There you go. Start turning the driver.
Our driver.
Yep. Let it eat. Just slide over. Just leave it. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Okay, keep coming.
Yep. Okay. Stop.
Stop, stop, stop. Back up. Hard passenger, and you'll clear this rock.
This is a monsoon right now. Back passenger.
But goes. You lifted the tire pretty good. You pushed the clutch in. They're right there.
Okay. Turn driver, come forward.
Remember, my brakes are fucked.
No, it's not. It's good. Fuck yeah! Okay, keep it right there. Keep it right there. Okay, start coming passenger. Keep coming passenger.
Right there, yeah.
Don't stop though.
There you go. You're good.
Yep, come passenger. Yeah.
Okay, passenger. But keep going. You can go.
Hard passenger.
There you go. Right now. Yep.
Keep coming.
Straight, come forward. Yep. Stay that line.
Let the clutch. Come passenger. She can't hear, that's why. Okay, nope. Come driver. Straight up. Keep coming, driver. Give it a little gas. Come straight. Okay, come hard driver, hard driver. Let's look. Right, there you go. Start coming passenger through. Go passenger crew. Brought it from Hawaii.
Just a little bit, Drew. Right there. You're good. Nice come off quick. Yep, be on it. Go. You're gonna have to bump.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Dug out.
Right there. Just a bump. Quick bump because you're gonna fall fast.
Little bit Hawaii style right here.
Yep, go. Yep, carry. Yeah, that's very good. You're gonna stay right side or right?
You can sit a little bit on the right side, Drew. You can walk right up. Shocks look good. Come driver. Give it a little bit of gas. Sit to the right. Right there, you go give it gas when you get right there. You're good. Give her some throttle. Tell her give her some throttle. Give her some throttle. Keep going. You're right there. Keep going. It's coming over. Slow it down just a little, Chris. Let it eat. It's coming.
There you go. Give me a little bit of gas.
Right up here. Okay, right there, second gear.
Hold that line, give it gas.
Second gear and bump it.
Hey, are you away from the back there?
You're good. You're clear and everything.
I'm
Just
worried about you.
don't worry about me. I'm the camera. Jeez, not that much.
That's about it.
Fuck.
Back up just a little bit.
Just slow it down just a little. It's biting right there. Just go. Just keep it going. Just keep it going. It's right there. Keep it going. Jeez. She's on the disc back here. She's stiff.
My trail gear shocks, they performed amazingly. They did great on dirt, on mud, in water, and even on wet, muddy, slippery rock today. I am so excited to take the 4Runner down and get the 4Runner on some rocks down there in Sand Hollow. Always a great day out here with my Ohana. Drew, always killing it on the spotting game. There's just a handful of guys that I trust my life with, and Drew is one of them. I know I said I was going to take it easy because Trail Hero is just right around the corner, and somehow I found myself on muddy, wet, slippery Buggy Hill, Yellow Jacket, and Sasquatch. But at the end of it all, I'm so glad I got to put my tires on some rocks, and we just had a blast. I also had a great time hanging out with Brother David all the way from Oahu. My Oahu peeps, go check him out. Sykes Automotive, located right there in Waipahu. He has some pretty rad builds coming out of his shop. So what's next for the 4Runner? I will be going through the 4Runner, truly getting it ready for Trail Hero. And in about a week and a half, we will be heading on down, and I will be taking you along with me. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you will be the first to know the next time I drop a video. Until the next one, aloha.